Hello everybody, my name is Ann. I thought if I could do a video on Microsoft Edge versus Google and Internet Explorer. And yeah, okay. Now for this one, it's really simple. You got the long arrow, you got the blank page, and I pretty much love the texture on this one. It's pretty satisfying. You can't see. I can't lie, it's pretty satisfying. And I'll be back in a second, guys. Did you know that Microsoft Edge is actually faster than can actually run faster than Google Chrome? So you don't have to have things such as lags or anything. I think I like it. And yeah, you see, I got the new Google. I love the Google White profile. They just did their look. World Cup 2018, day 25. Alright, that's fun. And yeah, now let's go. Let's save that. And after I'm gonna be comparing them side by side at the end of this video, right, guys? Now, two I think is Google. Just Google. I actually installed this because I thought it would be nice. Installed this, so yeah. I think it's nice and yeah, I can't see anything now. And it also starts saying with make Google my homepage. I think it's very, very, very interesting. And for this one, if you don't have a special mouse like I do, where I move, like this one, yeah, you don't have the button that you can use. So there's no arrow that you can click to go to your previous page. There's no, like, say if I clicked on something and it was the wrong thing, I just can't return to Google. So if you don't have it, you have to close Google and then open it again. So if you don't have a mouse, that's what I do. If I click, look at this, there's no arrow here, there's no left arrow, there's no right arrow. And yeah, I think there's a little bit no arrows. And I'm signed in. As you can see, that's how I did my videos. I'm signed in. Look at no arrows. If I click here, guys, yeah, make Google, and there's pretty much nothing here, just texts. And there you go, see guys, I can't click on anything. So, but with my mouse, yeah, if I click, I can't click forward because I never clicked on this. If I click my other one, and there you go, I'm already here. So yeah guys, you need a mouse like me if you want to have this. It's a little annoying. And I thought if I YouTube Red, I tried this one on YouTube Red as well, but it didn't really work. I think I like it. And that's pretty much the Google. Now finally, last and least, the leastest and the lastest is of course Google Chrome. Not Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. This thing is actually really fun, and I like this because this is different. You got like your little house here thingy there. When you click on it, you got a smiley face, a center smile. Okay, I am happy. And this is the classic one I used a long time ago when I played any of my older games, such as Fish Sit, when I was like little. And I was like 3 years old. I'm just like 9 years old, 1 year old. Anything can be fun, like, you know what I mean? Like, got the star here, and I kind of like that. And this is my classic one I used. And of course, Google Chrome is the newer one. And well, this is fun. You see that there is really easy. I was actually signed into this, but it's actually not quietly working out because I just lost my account. Alright. So if you search anything, it's really fun. And say if I do Google, say if I just type in Google. Of course, now the final choice is comparing them side by side. So I'm gonna have to do this. Shrink this and do this. The 2-1. Shrink this and do this. Got the Google over here, and you got the Google. And of course, this one does not go tiny, so, and of course this one. I actually had my account with this one as well. Now yeah, these do look pretty the same, but you see that I got the Google, you got the as well, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Also, I want to tell you one, okay, never mind, just bye.